Welcome back. This is another unboxing, but this time I've got some Bluetooth headphones that I picked up for $29.99 on Black Friday. Now inside the box you're going to get a little bag to keep everything in. It's a nice soft bag. Here you're going to find the 3.5 aux cord and also the USB cord to charge it. Now the headphones themselves, they feel a little cheap, especially the hinges where it bends. Feels like, if you're too rough with it, it might snap in half, so I would be careful with that. But they're only $29.99, so, what do you expect? Now here's the hinges where they're very fragile. This is your 3.5 aux plug-in. This is your USB plug-in to charge, and this is how you turn it on. So you plug this in to charge. Just plug it into your charger. If you run out of battery, then you can plug your 3.5 aux cord into the bottom and into your phone. Also has volume buttons here on the side. And they do fold, but once again, be kind of careful with this because they're fragile. But once you're done, you can put everything into the bag and be on your way. That about wraps it up. Thanks for watching.